Hey guys! Hey. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Chip.
I'm Delaney.
And in today's video, we are doing another unboxing, another show of the Liveglam by MORPHE. They're back. Last one for 2019.
Did you almost say 2020 by accident?
No.
We've been living in 2020, filming the rest of the day today, so I'm excited for this one. I was just like, oh, slay the season? Okay.
Oh, that's so
okay. As always, we always link our initial video down in the comments and up in the eye so you can see more information about the subscription itself, but essentially it's a brush subscription through Liveglam. We don't know what it is, for MORPHE brushes. They do also do like a lip one, and they brought back the eyeshadow one eventually, so if you don't like brushes, you have choice between lip and eyes.
Great way to build your collection.
Yep, whether you're a makeup artist, someone who's starting out, if you just want some extra shit, why not? That's what we're doing. So, do you want to do the first brush, Chip?
Sure.
Which one are you going to pick?
I'm going to do the bottom one. R36 Pointed Highlighter Brush.
This one I was actually the most interested in because this is one of their rose gold ones, so they kind of put them in every now and again, and I just keep putting them all separately over to the side because I don't want to ruin them for whatever reason. I don't want to use them even though that's the whole point. But this one looks nice. I like the shape. I might actually have to start using it.
I like it. It comes to a point.
That one would be good for like a brow highlight, or it's too big for an inner corner.
Oh yeah, but it looks good. If you really like a good concentrated highlight, this might, for a powder, I feel like, powders? Yeah, I feel like this would be good. For any loose, like ABH loose, Jaclyn loose.
I use a lot of pressed highlighters that are like in 26mm pans, so this would actually be a good size to go into there because normally the other ones are a little bit wider around, so like they kind of just the product everywhere, but this one's nice.
Feels nice and soft.
It's gonna go in my rose gold collection.
I like, in the collection,
this MORPHE M514, this detail round blender. This is one I use that's very similar for my inner corner highlights and my brow bone, so I don't believe I'll keep this one per se for me. I may end up putting it in my kit. I need to double check and see if I have a similar brush in my kit, but this one is the best gift for your makeup collection because it's slender and has a dome tip. So for blending out transition colors or defining the crease, this brush can do it all.
Yes.
I
have a colored background so you can just see it plain as day.
Wow, imagine that.
Yeah, I would definitely use this as a blending out, like if I place on a color, then I want to blend out the perimeter. This is small enough that I can really get that detail blend.
And not go right into your eyebrow.
Yes. Packing on color. Like this inner corner highlight, I think it would fit. It's a good size for being anything in your eyelid, so.
Especially if you have hooded lids or like a small eye shape. Super helpful.
Yep.
Which one next?
Next one is the M456. This is the Mini Firm Blending Brush.
This one looks kind of like a paddle brush though. Do you really blend with paddle brushes? I know I use my Sephora Pro 14 all the time, but it's a little bit more fluffy. It's not as like flat. It
definitely feels like a paddle brush, yeah. I think you could blend if you had it at like an angle and you just, but I wouldn't blend it like coming down directly, but you could blend it like if you came at an angle.
Yeah, if you were mixing like transitioning two colors on like the side of your lid or something, or if you wanted to apply like a concealer to the lid, that would be okay because it's small enough.
I would use this to apply a highlighter under my brow. So this would be my brow bone highlight. Okay. But I don't see this for like blending out like my transition color or something. Yeah. Like, this is too small. And
I feel like they're trying to say blending like mixing versus like blending like buffing.
But
I'm keeping it
in my collection.
So the last one is this big fat boy. This one is the M442. It's one of the shorter like kabuki kind of style, but it's a dual fiber, so it has those lighter tips and darker base, and so the tips are probably going to be not as thick as the bottom of the base where the ferrule is. Create to medium to heavy coverage effortlessly with this dense dual fiber buffer brush. As one of Santa's faves, this brush is ideal for applying and blending powder or liquid products for your face and body. I don't know if I want to open it to feel how stiff this is, but like most dual fiber, like I said, the top is a little bit more slimmer as far as the density of the brush hairs, and the bottom is thick. I could see this one blending more like liquid or creams than I would a powder. I wouldn't want to use a buffer brush for powder. Like, who does that? I want to use like nice fluffy rounded brushes like this big boy right here.
Big one. Like the only, for stipple brushes, I use them if, let's say, maybe my highlight is way too much, then I can kind of blend that into my blush. But I don't use them on a daily basis, so...
That one's gonna go in the giveaway for me. Because I have so many other like dual fiber brushes that I could be using for buffing like that if I wanted to buff like a liquid out. So out of all of them, these two will be going in 2 separate giveaways eventually, and then this little boy has to be confirmed whether or not it's gonna go. We have quite a few brushes sitting in our giveaway pile right now, so
they build. It's
coming.
Yeah.
But yeah. Thank you guys for joining in on our quick little video today. We always do these like once we receive our packages, so you normally see them at the beginning of the month. But yeah, if you guys don't like them,
let us know. But we love them. We love brushes and we use them. But yeah, if you like this video, please leave it a big thumbs up and follow us on all of our social media. Sugar and Spice _makeup on every platform. And check our Instagram for daily looks. And yeah, that is all we have for this video. We love you guys. Thanks for being here. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.